Hey guys, it's here. Just thought I'll share a few updates with you because I've not recorded a long form video like this in a while. Just want to share with you what I've been working on and what's been happening in the internet lifestyle community. So I started this community in the year 2018. As of today, we are more than 50,000 members from all different parts of the world. What I've been working on in the last few months is a lot to do with AI. I've been building a lot of apps. I built super sites. Even my Internet Lifestyle Hub website right now is completely built using vibe coding. And I actually built the entire system right now and enabling people to go from just becoming knowledge givers to becoming builders. Builders of knowledge banks, builders of applications, builders of communities. So I'm not here just to help you digitize and monetize your knowledge just by way of courses, which is what I started with. But now what I'm doing right now is I'm actually helping people become true knowledge givers who are building communities and building technology solutions as well. Our cohort that I've been doing, the hackathon, we're right now in the 32nd cycle of the hackathon. Okay, we've done 31 cycles. We're moving to 32nd cycle from the next month onwards. So we've had more than 15,000 people go through the hackathon. From that, we've had thousands of finishers who have finished. Hundreds of crorpatis. I've given, as I think at this day, more than 401 crore awards to people, and many 10 crore awards and even 20 crore awards that are given to people, because this is my 8th year in the business. So what I've been doing the last 6 months is actually going deeper into building technology solutions. And especially now on my diamond membership level, I'm doing something called as Freedom Appathons, where I'm actually live building applications, right from simple landing pages, or I may be going even deeper into building complex applications where you can create solutions for your students, calculators, multi-step forms, and also if you want to build some custom gamification kind of solutions for your students, I'm going deeper into helping them build that, and also integrating with all the different tools that are there in the market. Another thing that I launched recently is Nalanda X, which are city clubs. In 30 days, we launched 8 regions with more than 2,000 members. And in the last 30 days, 44 meetings have happened without me being there in those meetings, driven by the members, for the members, uplifting everyone to become teachers, leaders, facilitators. In the next 1 year, I plan to take this to at least 5 to 10,000 members, where besides me teaching people online and giving them all the knowledge and solutions, we're also going to be having an offline support system where there'll be multiple clubs. Each club will have 50 members. Each club will have 1 president along with 5 support coordinators who will support the president, and the president will change every 6 months. And we have counselors, or we have panchayats for each of the cities that we have, and each of the panchayats will be changing every single year, and they'll be responsible for the growth of that particular region. For the world that is changing so fast, especially in this fast changing times where the education system is too slow, the employment system is kind of broken. What we need is more teachers, facilitators, and mentors, just like you if you're watching this. So these are updates from my side, what I've been working on for many months right now. And if you're already in ILH, you know what the game is. The theme now is F3, fast, focused, and fun. Let's do it together. All the best.